Hey guys, want to show you the new lift I got today. Actually yesterday, not today. So here it is, the Quick Jack. Can't wait to put this together. I'm not going to show in this video how to put that together. There are plenty of videos out here on YouTube that show how to put this together and bleed it. So we're not doing that. We're only doing car repairs and show you guys how to do stuff at home in your garage. You know, you don't have to take your car to a shop and pay lots of money. So that's where we're here to help you. So yeah, stay tuned. We do have more projects coming up. We have the Audi that needs a brake job. We have a Mercedes S550 that needs a brake job. Looking at this car, I need to start this car. My E34 has been sitting here for about a month without a start, so we'll give that a go right now. Alright, here we are, and give her a crank. Oh, she's dead. Look at that. No way she's gonna turn. Good thing I do have my jumper pack right over here. So let's give her a start right now. Let's first open the garage. I'm not trying to die in here. Go on this side. So we're gonna hook up the jumper cable, the jumper back. Got the ground and the positive. Put this on the thing. It's hard to do it with one hand. There you go. Slash in. We're good to go. We're gonna turn it on. Go around, and we're gonna give it another go. Let's see. One more time. Nope. Anywho, we'll save this for another day when it's not too cold. I just gotta charge my battery pack. I'm not using this car right now, so I'm not too worried about it, but I will get it started. It's not that hard. Anyways, yeah, so like I said, there's gonna be more stuff coming in, and I want to show you guys how to do that. So again, if you like this video, please subscribe, so I can start making some more of these videos, show you guys how to do some of this stuff. Yeah, thank you guys.